Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Aviator Predictor app if you are looking for a tool that helps you with predictions for Aviator, then this tutorial is for you. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The Aviator Predictor app is a third-party app, so make sure you download from trusted sources and always exercise caution with any predictions or tips. Let's get started. All right, first step, open your phone's browser or go to the App Store if it's available in your region. Most times, though, you will need to download the Aviator Predictor app from an external website since it's not always available directly in major app stores. Type Aviator Predictor app download in the search bar. When you see different sites offering downloads, always look for a trusted and reputable one. Check reviews if they are available and avoid any site that seems suspicious. Once you are on a trusted site, find the download button for the Aviator Predictor app. Click on it and it will begin downloading the APK file to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. Now let's install the app. Go to your downloads folder and find the APK file you just downloaded. Tap on it to start the installation. If you get a pop-up about installing apps from unknown sources, don't worry, just go to settings, look for unknown sources and enable it. This setting lets you install app from outside the app store, which is often necessary for apps like Aviator Predictor. Once you have enabled that, continue with the installation process. It should only take a few seconds to finish up. And there you go, open the app and you are all set. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded the Aviator Predictor app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in that next one.